Hilaria Baldwin was glowing on the red carpet last night just after joining her husband at The Tonight Show.
You got a giant, beautiful family.
But 17 hours later, this revealing post. I want to share with you that I'm most likely experiencing a miscarriage. I always promised myself that if I were to get pregnant again, I would share the news with you guys pretty early, even if that means suffering a public loss. The yoga and fitness guru lives her life publicly. Today, she said the embryo's heartbeat isn't strong and the baby isn't growing much. I don't want to keep this from you, she wrote to her followers. I have no shame or embarrassment with this experience. I want to be a part of the effort to normalize miscarriage and remove the stigma from it. As many as 15% of pregnancies end in miscarriage. Baldwin, not the first celebrity to share a loss.
It's okay to talk about women's reproductive health, both the positives and the negatives, because it's a universal experience.
Baldwin's post was liked by tens of thousands today. I'm feeling a bit fragile, she wrote, asking for support as she supports others by telling her story. Kate Snow, NBC News, New York.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.